Now, all the rain that we got over the past few days raises flooding concerns across the area.
Especially along the Missouri River. We're just about 3 years removed from the devastating flooding in the summer of 2011. In the wake of that, the Army Corps of Engineers promised to keep you better informed. Today, the Corps released its long-range forecast for the Missouri River. KMBC 9's Michael Mahoney joins us with what you can expect.
Despite a rainy spring and a very cold winter, the Army Corps of Engineers says that the major flooding will not be a major problem along the river this year. Now, Scott Doomer of the National Weather Service says the only potential problem, the heavy rains in our area, northwest Missouri and southern Iowa, that may cause some minor to moderate flooding. Another prediction from the Corps today is that it could be a mild to moderate summer in the Missouri River Basin when it comes to temperature. The thinking is that that might be improving the drought conditions in central and western Kansas. Now, it won't solve that problem, but it could go a long way to help. And the engineers also say that there won't be these huge releases of water from the reservoirs in the upper Missouri Basin. And that's because the snowpack is almost gone in the Rockies. There's only 25% of it left from the melt that peaked earlier this spring. Has no unpleasant surprises coming from the long-range predictions from the Army Corps of Engineers for the Missouri River. Michael Mahoney, KMBC 9 News.